Ironing technique when hot waxing can make quite a difference. It can keep your ski bases healthy, and it can also improve your wax penetration, which means better skis. When you're hot waxing, the first thing you want to do is to set the iron to the proper temperature, desired temperature. Let me also show you a trick my friend Jim Levins taught me. You can take some paper towel and put it on the table, and then when you're ironing, you never need to put your iron down. This paper towel will keep the iron from smoking and will also keep it from having any kind of gunky brown buildup, which you get on the bottom of your irons if you don't do that. There are two ways of applying the wax to the ski base. With softer waxes you can rub it on, or with harder waxes you can heat it and rub it on. This method of application is more economical, takes longer, and sometimes you could say it doesn't get enough wax on the base. The more common way, but less economical way, is to drip the wax onto the ski. After the wax is applied to the ski, you want to immediately iron it in such that the wax is evenly distributed throughout the base. It's good to do this while it's hot from being freshly applied. I generally apply wax in 3 passes. The first pass is slower because the ski is still cool and hasn't absorbed the heat yet. I take about 15 seconds from tip to tail. The second pass is a medium speed, and I take something like 8 seconds from tip to tail. And that's because the ski is starting to heat up and it's absorbing the heat, and you don't want your base to get too hot. The third pass you'd want even faster, something like 5 seconds from tip to tail. I want to add 3 more points regarding iron technique for hot waxing. The first is you want to move the iron from tip to tail. If you move it back and forth, parts of the ski are going to get more heat than others, and you'll take the chance of burning your base. The second one is you can check the temperature of your base, how much heat is being absorbed by your base, by just putting the back of your fingers on your ski. If it's so hot that it's a little uncomfortable, you need to move the iron faster. The third is the knowledge. The longer that wax sits on the base before you scrape it, the faster your skis are going to be.